Hello again. I'm back again to teach you some maths for today, and then the rest of this week you'll have Mrs. Balaam doing the videos for you. Now today our maths is to explore one more and one greater within 10. So you should have this at home. It's got a picture of a number line, a number track on it, and our star words. So our star words for today are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together, one more, one greater. So to start with, I'm going to call a number out, and I would like you to tell me the number that is one greater using the number track. So one greater is the next one. We're jumping forwards to one more. So let's start with the number 3. First of all, find the number 3, and then you're going to jump forwards 1. So 1 greater than 3 is 4. The next number I'm going to say is number 6. Find number 6. There it is. And tell me 1 greater than 6. Number 7, well done. And our last one, let's have a go at 0. Find 0. There it is. 1 greater than 0 is 1. Well done. Fantastic start to the lesson. Right, let's have a look at what we've got to do next. We're going to use those tens frames again, so you could draw yourself a tens frame. Here we go. I'm going to have a go at drawing my own. So I'm going to put 5 boxes at the top and 5 boxes at the bottom. There we go. There's a tens frame. We've got 10 boxes. Now, I'm going to show you a number, and I'd like you to fill your tens frame with that number. And our number today is number 9. So I'd like you to fill your tens frame with 9 dots or counters or Lego blocks, anything you've got, as long as you filled 9 of the boxes. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you need to add one more. Add one more. There we go. Now how many have you got? You've added one more to 9. One more to the 9 is 10. Well done. Remember that number track that we had? Find number 9. One more is number 10. Well done. Good job. Right. Now, this is the time we're going to do the talking. So here is your sentence for today. 1 more than something is something. 1 greater than something is something. So here are the numbers. I'm going to choose to start number 3. So I've chosen number 3. So with your grown-up or your brother or sister at home, your partner, take it in turns to choose a number between 1 and 8. Show that number on your tens frame, like we did here with your counters. And then ask your partner to add one more. So I chose number 8. So I'm going to put 8 in my tens frame. And then my partner is going to add one more. And you're going to find the total. So how many you've got all together. So 8 and one more is 9. I'd like you to keep doing that. So 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 greater than 8 is 9. You have a go with your partners at home. See if you can do all the numbers between 1 and 8. Well done. How did you get on? Right, now we're going to play a game, and I've got a frog. He looks a little bit like our phonics frog Fred. Here he is. But he's sitting on our number line. Can you see him? Sitting on our number line. Now we're going to play a game with that frog. We're going to choose a number on the track, and you're going to say 1 greater than that number and cover it up. Now, the frog is sitting on number 4, so 1 greater is number 5. So cover up number 5 with a counter. Well done. Have you got that number track out? If you haven't got one, then you could draw one. So I'm going to draw one on my board here. Start at 0, all the way up to number 10. There we go. A nice quick number line. So the frog is sitting on number 4. So 1 more, 1 greater is number 5. So I'm going to cross out or put a counter on number 5. Right, let's try another one. I'm going to start with number 7. What is 1 greater than 7? 8. Well done. Fantastic. What number did you choose? And what is 1 greater than that number? Well done. Choose another number. What number did you choose this time? Well done. And then number that is 1 greater. Well done. Fantastic. Now, I've got a bit of a challenge for you here. Let me just write those numbers in again for us. Now, listen really carefully. So, a frog chose a number and he landed on that number. He then made 1 jump and landed on the number 1 greater, the number 4. So the frog has landed on number 4. But where did he start? Think about it really carefully. The frog chose a number and he landed on that number. He then made 1 jump, so he's jumped onto the number 4, which was 1 greater than 4. What number did he start on? Number 3, well done. So here it is. Started on number 3. He made 1 jump to 1 greater and he landed on number 4. Well done. That was quite tricky. You needed to listen really carefully to that number problem. Now, here we go. Now it's your turn. You are going to say a number that's 1 greater than the number that's in your head and cover it with a counter. Now, I want you to try and talk in full sentences for this. So, here we go. Have a go. I'm going to leave that up for you. Have a go with your grown-up. The instructions are at the bottom again for your grown-up to help you. Well done. How did you get on with that? Well done. You're adding 1 more. Now we're going to go back to those star words that we had at the beginning. All our numbers up to number 10. All together. 1 more, 1 greater. Now here we go. Here is a number track. This one goes from left to right. Can you see it? Left to right. This one goes from bottom to top. What is 1 greater than 4? 1 greater than 4 is 5. You can see the same here, look. 1 greater than 4 is 5. Well done. Another number. What is 1 greater than 9? Here is number 9. 1 greater than 9 is 10. And again on this one, 1 greater than 9 is 10. Last one, let's have a look. 1 greater than 2. So find number 2. 1 greater than 2 is 3. Here's number 2. 1 greater than 2 is 3. Well done, fantastic. Wow, you did a good job of that maths lesson. Now, good luck for the rest of the week and I will be back next week. Have fun. Bye.